Well, what's up, guys? I'm Super Z, and welcome back to another video. Now, this is a little bit different how I'm holding the camera, but I got a Hulkbuster shirt on. Real cool. And today I will be unboxing R.O.B, and it's not the normal R.O.B Amiibo, it's the Japan one. And I'm so excited to play with this in Smash Brothers, guys. So let's open it, Lamar Wilson style. 3, 2, 1, go. Dang, how does he do this? Okay, Lamar Wilson style. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Uh-oh. R.O.B went flying that way. Get over there. Okay, sorry, I got R.O.B back. Get over there. Get. Guys, this Amiibo is awesome. Look at him. Got the cord and everything. That's awesome. So, I got a low battery, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to smash that like button. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys. Bye. Pow.